Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you my gardening set. It is so awesome. I'm going to show you an up close, but I'm also going to show you myself in action. So all these tools are all you will need for gardening. I have the hand rake, the pruner, the cultivator, a couple of shovels. These are all really good quality tools. They are really good about not rusting, and they cut through the weeds so nicely. When I was cutting up this dirt, it was just so easy to break it up with these tools. The handles fit in your hand so comfortably, and there's a hole in the handle, so if you do not want to store them in your bag, you can store them hanging up, which I love and think is a great idea. This is for cutting. I like that they have the safety latch here, so they're closed. This is obviously for digging. This is really great for kind of like getting the soil mixed up. And there's other tools also. I'll show you these up close. This is a bigger shovel, which would be even better for digging. And then we got this. And then all of it inside the bag. So they have this little plastic elastic here. So you just slip it through the elastic, like so. And it's awesome. This opens up actually, so you can put stuff in here. But I love this set. I highly recommend it. That's just my point of view.